How to block ads on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can block ads on Android. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right in. So you can block ads on your Android by using a private DNS setting, which blocks ads across your device. So what you'll have to do for that is locate your settings app and then open it up. After you open it up, head over to network and internet. And after you're there, you should find your private DNS at the bottom. So tap on it. And right here, you will need to tap on this private DNS provider hostname. For you, it might be automatic or simply turned off. So select private DNS provider hostname. And here, simply type in dns.adcard.com as I've done. Then tap on the save button. And now this will block ads on your Android device. The other thing that you can do is head over to your Google Chrome if you want to block ads on your Chrome itself and just Chrome. So head over to your Google Chrome. After you're there, let me just tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on settings. After you're on your settings, simply search for site settings. And after you're there, what you'll need to do is you will need to turn off pop-ups and redirects. So search for pop-up and redirects right here, tap on it, and simply turn it off. After you've done that, now sites will not be able to send you pop-up and redirects. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.